Make them do the work. You understand? Simple as that.
You know, Raymond, it really won't sound like you say me old.
Angie, you hear me say nothing about your old? Me say you're not so young.
You not as young either.
Yes, but I am more able.
Oh, so I am keen.
Oh, I get it. A comedian work you use now?
Me sure you not see me a laugh.
You might not laugh now, but I bet you're funny out in the field than dead in night. Angie, me don't want to argue over this. Why you just trust me and understand, say, I have this covered, just like a good sheet by your bed.
Me go trust you. Me go trust you upon your 10-day dark assignment. But there's one thing I want you to clear up for me. Miranda Suarez. Who is she?
Oh, boy. You know, me don't understand something. You in the same meeting where me in a. You hear this woman name mentioned, right? Good. You not go ask the man who you hear call her name. But you ask me if I tell you who she be. All me I do is stay close to her. And my friend and my schoolmate will ask me, you don't ask Mullins.
May I ask you? Because the other day when we sit down inside the sun and have a conversation, her name never come up like you did a shadow her. And why wasn't I told that you and her all meet? But you know what is interesting, Raymond? Is that when her name call, your whole facial expressions change.
What you say? Me you just talk about this, you know. You use so much of this personal thing and I blur out the professional part of the thing. You realize something? You know, see when me I try to tell you about it, you know, man. Angie, it's all in your mind.
It's all in my mind. You better mind where you are do. Because based on what Mr. Mullins tell we in at the meeting, you supposed to shadow her. But how it look is now you skirt round her like she a baby.
Where's it? Hold on. Where that come from? Eh? How that drop in? Yo, you hear me, man? Me here talk about that thing and all of a sudden we talk about mastermind, we talk about office, we talk about all kind of thing. Oh, baby drop in. That's why I tell you, say, you see more where I don't even like getting involved in a certain kind of argument, you know, man. Cause you take this thing now gone and all personally, but we're just wrong. Hey, baby, love me, hey, you hear me, man? No.
Wow. Looks like I need to do some digging on this Miranda Suarez.
Even though you never involved, but maybe I just because I never get a chance to just don't worry yourself. One day fresh again.
$6 for one of these?
Yeah. That's 6 minutes for that?
Would I buy one? Marina, would I buy one ultimate ice cream?
When you get down to the ice cream, you get half a scoop of man.
Yeah, go on, man.
Then take that.
But I spent $2. And $5 I buy one ice cream.
Yeah, well, then I get 5 minutes my ice cream. Shop unlocked. Nah, get our food. So we're supposed to go now. Nah, understand.